A journal for a fairy.
I think it was like either 6 or 8 years or something like that. I don't know. Yeah. But he has his like nice ad.
Chocolate. I'm good. I like it. I love Rice Krispies. Let's continue on. Marshmallows. Okay, what's your name?
Just go as far down as you. There's something.
You already got one.
Any of them? Okay. And then print well. Didn't even get my freaking. Sweet to mild, sweet vinegar.
I want a sweet one.
There's so much. You got.
There's a strawberry. There's a lot of them here. One, two, three.
Wait, if you want to. Or you can get out of hand. I'm gonna throw the onions in now. In here?
Where? Oh, I see. Huh?
It's on fire.
No, it's not. It's not on fire.
Dude, it's
Bro, how are you gonna eat that, bro?
Sparkle going on.
By the time that Glizzy cooks, these are literally gonna have burnt down.
Same time.
What, you never...
Bro!
This guy.
Oh, man.